Hello everyone! Today I will be sharing one of the key elements to successfully store something into your memory, and that is using your senses. Now our senses play a vital role in making memories and in forming connections inside our brain, causing the neurons of our brain to communicate and get stronger. So as an example of this, try smelling a perfume that you have used before. As soon as you smell it, the scent of that perfume will spring into your mind all the events that you wore that particular perfume in, all of the people that smell similar to this scent, all of the locations that you might have worn this perfume to, and many more associations. Your brain will spark all of these connections with a single stimulus of smell. Our brain uses our senses to move and operate in the world. When we're children, we experience the world using all of our senses. When babies get a new toy, what do? They first look at it, then they smell it, then they try to listen to it if it has any sound, then they even put it in their mouths to taste it. Now, that is the reason they are able to form such strong connections and are able to develop long-lasting memories about the things, the people, and the places that they come across. But as adults, we tend to stop using all of our senses to experience life, which is why we form fewer connections inside our brain. Instead, we only use one or two senses to go through our daily life, which is mostly sight and smell. When you consciously use your senses to remember something, you are creating this net of associations and connections inside your brain. And the stronger the net of associations, the less likely you are to forget that piece of information. You can easily implement this by consciously using more than one of your senses to do your daily activities, or using a sense that you rarely use. For example, when you have a meal, instead of turning on the TV and eating in a distracted way, try to be attentive towards your food. Smell the aroma of the food you are about to eat. Feel the texture of the food. What does it feel like in your mouth? What does it taste like? When you consciously engage in making your meal a multi-sensory experience, it will stimulate your senses and forge new connections inside your brain. The next time you go out for a walk, try to notice what's around you. So smell the smells and scents as you walk by each different area. Try to listen to the sounds, like the birds chirping, or maybe people are talking, or the sound of the wind moving the trees. By taking the time to consciously do this, you are engaging dozens of new or rarely used neural pathways in your brain. Doing activities like this for your brain on a regular basis will enhance your ability to use multiple senses when you are memorizing or working on something, allowing you to optimally use your brain's potential. That was all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, then you can also watch this video right here, in which I share another key element to memorizing anything efficiently. For more brain tips, please subscribe.